KATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. 86 degrees in Lafayette, just 3 degrees shy of a record. 86 in New Iberia, set a record, beating 85. So some extraordinary warmth across the area. It will continue for several more days. Don't think we're going to surpass too many records or tie too many records, at least in Lafayette, but certainly as warm as it gets this time of year. But changes on the way as we head into the weekend. Right now, we're under the influence of this big ridge of high pressure that's been dominating Mexico through the Gulf of Mexico and allowing for warm temperatures. Temperatures near the century mark in the lower Rio Grande today and for tomorrow. Meanwhile, as we get back to the north and west, this weather system off the California coast will help bring a cool front through the area, maybe a few showers and storms, but essentially our weather nice and quiet with generally fair skies out there. And as we take a look at futurecast, a mild evening ahead, some clouds for sure, some fog also possible tonight. The models have been hitting on that, so we'll buy into some of it. I don't think it's going to be widespread thick stuff, but nonetheless it could be a little foggy out there. As will be a little bit cooler tonight as well. Upper 60s your low. Then tomorrow another warm one. The clouds burn off, a mostly sunny afternoon. Nice breeze out of the south. It's going to be another nice and warm one. Clouds coming back in tomorrow night, and then they evaporate first thing Friday and back to sunny skies for Friday afternoon. Opening it on up, getting into the European model as we head into Saturday. A nice day until a frontal boundary arrives, and that should bring the chance of showers and thunderstorms locally, mainly into Saturday evening. We don't think we're going to see a severe weather threat. All the main energy is going to bypass us to the north, so scattered showers, maybe a thunderstorm Saturday evening. Sunday, we buy a halfway decent day, a mixture of sun and high clouds. And then as we go into next week, we'll be watching an area of low pressure developing Texas, Oklahoma panhandle. It'll bring showers to the area Monday, and then probably a pretty good chance of showers and storms going into Tuesday. There could be a severe weather threat with this system somewhere in Louisiana. We'll have to see how it fleshes out. And then behind it, finally, cooler air that would be more representative of late March into early April, with highs closer to the 60s and 70s and lows dipping down into the 50s later next week. Upper 60s tonight, then mid 80s again for your high for tomorrow. As we go down the road, looks pretty quiet. So a few degrees perhaps cooler tonight, some fog, and certainly clouds coming in by tomorrow morning, but those clouds burn off quickly in the afternoon. It's going to be another nice and warm and sunny afternoon. We'll go 85, 86 your high. And as we go down the road, mid 80s, that rain chance Saturday late in the day, more than likely into the evening hours. Sunday looking good. And then there's that weather system as we head into Tuesday, followed by finally some cooler temperatures in the low to mid 70s toward the mid and latter part of next week. That's it for weather for right now. We're going to be right back right after this.